Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, 3D Explorer Baba. With the help of today's 3D model, you will see how an Indian farmer can earn more money than a regular farmer using integrated farming methods. In this 3D model, you can understand how a farmer named Ramesh earns more money than a regular farmer through integrated farming. As everyone knows, India is an agriculture-based country. But 60% of Indian farmers do not earn much. However, 20% of farmers use different methods to earn more than regular farmers. Today, let's meet Ramesh, who earns 3 times more money than an average farmer through integrated farming. Ramesh used to work like a regular farmer and wasn't getting the right value for his hard work. After watching a video on integrated farming, he learned how to implement it on his farm. Since then, Ramesh has been earning 3 times more income. In this 3D model, we will understand farming methods involving coconuts, fish, and seasonal fruits and vegetables like papaya, turmeric, and pineapple. An average Indian farmer grows crops like wheat, rice, and pulses throughout the year, but the income from these is not very high. However, Ramesh, by adopting integrated farming, earns 3 times more than a regular farmer. If you also want to start integrated farming, first build a 10-inch thick brick wall around your field. Then, maintain a distance of 25 feet between each coconut tree. In the space between the trees, create a pit that is 12 feet wide and 8 to 10 feet deep. Fill it with water and use it for fish farming. In the remaining space between the coconut trees, grow seasonal fruits like pineapple, papaya, and turmeric. In India and worldwide, the market for freshwater fish is valued at 1.88 billion, which means 1.88 lakh crore. You can also become a part of this growing industry. In India, popular fish varieties include rohu, katla, hilsa, basa, and tilapia. There are so many varieties also famous across the country. Farmers like Ramesh, if they practice integrated farming, can generate a business of rupee 5,30,000 per year from fish farming alone on just 1 acre of land. In this 3D model, you can understand the methods of fish farming between coconut trees. Integrated farming also helps you save on fish feed costs, as coconut waste that falls into the water serves as good food for the fish. Similarly, the leaves of pineapple and papaya also become part of the fish food, reducing costs for the farmer and increasing profits. After this, the waste from the fish acts as a great organic fertilizer for the trees. This helps the coconut and papaya crops and fruits to grow well, providing the farmer with a good source of profit. In this way, from coconut farming, a farmer can earn rupee 1,40,000 per acre. From pineapple and papaya, they can earn up to rupee 4,50,000 annually. And from pineapple alone, they can earn rupee 1,50,000 per year. This proves that integrated farming provides an opportunity for regular farmers to earn 3 times more than they would otherwise. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know if you want more videos related to integrated farming, and feel free to comment for the 3D model and plan of this video. Thanks and bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you want presentation, 3D model, or any resource, please comment.